We're at week 5. Actually, this is your last week for any instruction because next week, starting on, I think I'll make it available to you on Saturday, November 9th, you will be doing your final, and the final must be completed by Wednesday, November 12th, because I have to turn your grades in by 5 o'clock on Wednesday. So that gives you, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and half of Wednesday to finish your final. So, like I said before, this is your last week of instruction. So, week 4, you were looking at some web page evaluations. And some of it was fairly familiar, I'm sure, understanding the URLs, that they're the domains of a web page, such as .org or .gov or .edu. And you also looked at you chose one of 3 web pages. One was Gen Pets, one was the city of Mankato, Minnesota, and the other was Human Bird Wings. Now, in this day and age, it's pretty hard to tell if those sites were actually real or not. And I have to tell you, all 3 sites are phonies. They don't exist. The city of Mankato, Minnesota, does not have whale watching. John Pets does not exist, though it certainly looks like it could. And the human bird wings, nope, not flying. Anyhow, this week we're going to continue with having some internet savvy. One of the things I want you to do is listen to TED Talks, and it's on filter bubbles. Before you comment in the discussion board, I want you to be sure to listen to this TED Talk. It's very interesting. Then you're also going to look at a smart web search strategy that talks about Boolean searches. And Boolean searches, not only can you do them online, but you also can use that same strategy on the databases. Let's see, I'm going to take a look here, see if I can move this around, and I'm not doing very well. Um, also, you're going to, let me think about this a minute. Sorry about that. Hang in there with me. I'm looking at week 5. Um, you're going to take a look at 2 websites on Martin Luther King, and you're going to critique them and tell me what you think of them. Tell me about their bias, if the material appears to be truthful or substantiated. You're going to take a look at some meta searches, and also don't forget to do that textbook reading. It can be helpful, particularly for the final. Anyhow, so enjoy week 5. Again, it's playing on the internet. Hopefully, you will discover something new and different in how you do your searches.